everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. I hope your revisions are going on a high fly. Now, as you all know that we have our CSIR UGC-NET Life Sciences examination in just 2 months. So, revision is very important, and to help you all out from my end, I am starting off with a revision question series on my channel. I'll be posting a question video along with its option over here. You have to listen to the question and the options very carefully, comment down the answers in the comment box, and then you can revise, you can note down that topic in your notes notebook as well. So we'll be starting off with unit number 1 and then we'll be moving forward to the other units. All you have to do is, as and when you get a topic, for example, you get a question from Ramachandran plot, which is from unit number 1. So solve the question as I have given you in the video. In addition to that, make sure that you revise that topic very nicely. I'll be uploading the questions depending upon the importance of the questions only. So every question that would be posted would help you first to recognize that which particular topic is important from which particular unit, and second, it would help you to practice out at least one question from that particular topic. I would suggest you go for more of the practice part, because practice and revision would help you qualify this or any of the examination that you are targeting. So I hope this particular series would help you out in one way or the other. I wish you all the very best. Take the best advantage of this particular series. I'll be posting questions very regularly, and you'll get the answers on Telegram channel. I have provided the link of Telegram channel of Botany Insider in the description box. Check it out, join the Telegram channel. You will get the answers on Telegram channel only. So make sure that you get to practice those questions. You make a list of the important topics and you revise very nicely. So this was all I wanted to share in this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you very soon with more informative content, more quality content on Botany Insider. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon. Bye. Good luck.